Hello, good morning grade 10. Today we're going to discuss the solutions for polynomial equations. So listen carefully because I'm going to discuss the essential parts of this topic. So let's begin. The first part of our lesson is what we call the evaluating polynomials. So let us have this given. G of x is equals to 8x cubed minus 2x plus 5. So we're going to find the g of negative 2 and the g of 2x. So all we have to do is to substitute the value of g to x because this is the equation, so it means that x should be replaced by negative 2. So let's begin. So for g negative 2, we have the equations 8 negative 2 cubed minus 2 times negative 2 and then plus 5. So this is 8. So cube of negative 2 is negative 8 minus, or this is positive 4 because negative times negative, then plus 5. So this is negative 64 plus 9. So this is, or shall we say this is negative 55. So that is the g of negative 2. Now, it's the g of negative 2. Now, what about the other one, which is g is equals to, or the value of g is 2 to the x, or 2x. So, there is g, find g, yeah, 2x. So, this is 8, then 2x cubed minus 2 times 2x plus 5. So this is 8 and this is 8x cubed minus 4x plus 5. So this is multiplied, this is 64 x cubed minus 4x plus 5. So that will be the value of g 2x. So let us now discuss the solutions for the linear equations, or two linear equations. We're going to find the value of x and y in two linear equations. So there are two ways in finding the solutions of linear equations. One is what we call substitution, and the other one is elimination. Now this time, we're going to do the substitution method. How can we say if this equation can be solved by substitution? So we are looking at the equations, the two equations. So it is for substitution if there is what we call one equation wherein there is no coefficient, either x and or y. So in this case, in this number, so y here doesn't have what we call a coefficient. So therefore, these two equations can be solved using by substitution method. So let us solve this one. Okay, now all we have to do first is to substitute the value of, or solve this equation number 1 in terms of y. So if we're going to solve this, we have y is equals to 11 minus 2x. So that will be the value of y. So after that, we are going to substitute the value of y to the second equation. So therefore, we have here 4x plus 5y is equals to 37. Then we have 4x plus 5. Substitute the value of y. The value of y is 11 minus 2x. 11 minus 2x. Then this is 37. So you see, you cannot see any variable y here. All of them are x because we substitute the value of y to 5. So this is 4x plus 55 minus 10x is equals to 37. So we're going to combine 4x minus 10x, this is negative 6x, is equals to 37 minus 55. Okay, so this is negative 6x. So this is, that is 37, 55 minus 37, that is 8. And this is 18. So negative 18 because it's negative. So negative 18. So divide both sides by negative 6. Negative 6. So this is x is equals to 3. So that will be the value of x. Now, what will be the value of y? We're going to use this equation, this, to find the value of y. So this y is equals to 11 minus 2 x. So this is 11 minus 2 times 3. So this is 11 minus 5, or 6 rather, 6. So this is the value of y here. The value of y is 11 minus 6, y is equals to 5. So that is. So this is the value of y and this is the value of x. Now, let us solve this another linear equation, so by means of elimination. Now, as I said earlier, we have solved the substitution method, but this time we cannot apply substitution method in this kind of equations or these two equations because there is no such thing as value of x or y that doesn't have what we call a coefficient, but all of them has a coefficients in this variable, so like this one. So how are we going to solve this equation? So since the word elimination is we're going to eliminate either x or y. So how to eliminate either x or y? So all we have to do is to, let's say we're going to eliminate x. So in this case, we're going to multiply or find a number that can make the two equations or that can make x to be eliminated. So in this case, we're going to multiply the upper part by 2. 3x minus 2y is equals to negative 1. Negative 1. 1. Multiply natin ito by 2. The other one is to eliminate, we're going to multiply under equation by negative 3. So this is 2x minus 3y is equals to negative 4 times negative 3. So then let us solve the equation. So this is 2, or this will become 6x minus 4y is equals to negative 2. And this lower part becomes negative 6x plus 9y is equals to 12. Yan, ganyan. It's 12. So check, negative 6, 9, then 12. So after that, we're going to eliminate. Of course, this could be eliminated. 0 na yan. So ang matitira dyan is this one. Negative 4y plus 9y will give you 5y. And this is negative 2 plus 12, that's 10. So that is, divide both sides by 5. So the value of y here is 2. And that will be the value of y. So after that, we're going to find the value of x using equation number 1. So 3x plus, so here, let's solve here. So this is 3x minus 2y is equals to negative 1. Take note, the value of y is 2. As we saw earlier, so we have here 3x minus 2 times 2 is equals to negative 1. So this is 3x minus 4 is equals to negative 1. And then this is 3x is equals to negative 1 plus 4. Yeah. So this is 3x is equals to 3. Divide both sides by 3. 3. Cancel the 3 here. X is equals to 1. So that's the value of x. So we solve the equation using the elimination method.